It's that time of the day again, huh?
Freezing today.
It's so cold. We're in WA.
It's windy.
It's fresh.
Windy always.
Yep. All right. Are we going to get flogged or what?
Nah.
Hope
Am I
not.
driving?
I don't care. You can drive if you want. Whatever. Is he the boss here today, is he?
I don't know.
I think so. Who's driving, mate? Who's driving, Mum or Dad?
Mum.
Mum? All right. She does like to scratch it up. Nah.
Get out. I'll have to put the footage up of you scratching it, hey?
Yeah.
You check the tide times? Oh, tide's going out.
Willie weather better be right.
Oh, it's not sounding good.
What's the struggle? Oh my God.
What's gonna
She's
happen?
going down.
Little people problem. Okay, we're just trying to do a turnaround. How will we go? So far so good. Phew. What a spot.
Kate's busted her back getting out of the truck. She's just stretching it out. How good is that?
Babies for dinner.
Blowing offshore.
I'm gonna buy some babies for dinner.
They are. What are these clowns doing? Looking for pippies, I reckon. Doing the pippy dance. This one's gonna get ya! All right, lunch is ready. Sun is out. Wherever that sun is, way up there somewhere. And we are cheering. We've been down south for 2 months. It has been freezing. I've got chilblains in my toes. We've booted it north to get some sun. Finally, it has arrived. And we are stoked. On the beach, sun's out, guns out, except for that little kid's not so happy. We had a fail with our sandboard. We tried to speed it up with a beer carton, but it made it slower, unfortunately. But who cares? Look where we are. Finally using the truck for what it's meant to be for. Driving down the beach, having days like this. Woo!
Oh, come on, girl.
We're laughing now.
Do we want high? No.
We're good. We're good to go now. Didn't even get stuck.
Nah.
We got this.
Spot to get stuck if you do.
As long as it's not a big height.
Yeah, although we're out of snacks.
So I was just out diving, getting some crays, getting myself some dinner, trying to be self-sufficient, and bang, I got bitten by a bloody shark on my hand. Luckily, it was only little. There must have been a wobbegong in the hole where I was getting the lobster. So there was this hole, I could see the lobster head sticking up, the antennas. Stuck my hand in. I'd been having a good morning, I already got 5. Had one in my left hand, stuck my right hand in to go in the hole and get it. And then I just felt the spike, I thought, oh, it's just a lobster. Then I just felt it tear and I was like, oh, that's not a lobster. Ripped my hand out, bang, seen a little shark head come out and I let go, or my finger tore through. Lucky it didn't take my finger, lucky it was only small. But Jesus, it is sore. And it scared the crap out of me. It's like tore my gloves. I was bleeding blood everywhere. When it was wet in the water, it was like just pouring out. I thought, man, I've got to get out of here. But we had a good little run. Got ourselves some crays for dinner. I just got to measure them up now to make sure they're all big enough. Because they're only small around here, these like, I don't know, the rock lobster. They're not real big, so we'll measure them up. Hey, mate? Yeah. And hopefully that's dinner. But oh man, that was a wobbegong. They got some nasty teeth on them. That's chunky. That's gross. All right, we are doing a catch and cook straight from the ocean, straight to the car park. Car park catch and cook, true Australian style.
Is it?
Hey, yeah. Well, you know, not everyone can live in tropical paradise and get to cook on the beach every day. Sometimes you just got to cook in the car park. So that's what we're doing.
Okay.
We've got our lobster, the lobster that I nearly lost my finger catching. So now, the young fella really wants to eat it. We've got pretty much no ingredients. We've got butter and we've got like half a lime. So it's going to be a bit bland.
That'd be delicious.
Yeah, it's going to be so good. It's going to be so good. It nearly cost me a finger, so it better be bloody good. Anyway, we'll rip this tail off, cut it in half, get into it. We might even cook up these. All right.
Can I just add?
Yeah.
We only have this.
Yeah, gas cooker with a little plate.
The barbecue's back at the
It's going
caravan.
to be very wild. We've got no garlic butter. We've just got plain butter. We've got no salt and pepper, nothing. But you make do with what you got, don't you? Okay, you want to rip it off? Okay, show Mum. You've got to twist it, remember?
Might be too spiky for him.
Is it too spiky?
Spike my finger.
Sorry. Yeah, it is spiky without a glove on.
No. Yeah. How hard is it? No. Oh, that's a lot of meat. What's that?
This is all of our utensils. A knife, tongs, and a
Dad.
spoon.
Spread it up in Mum's face.
How's the bloody curve on that plate? All right, Van, slap her on, mate.
You, tell me.
Sizzle, sizzle. Car park cook up. Well, the car park's got a pretty good view. Hey, you must admit.
Excuse me, I can't see.
Oh yeah. Are you psyched, Van?
Yeah, I can't see.
Oh, you can't see it? Well, it's cooking, mate, just so you know. Shall we put all your little... Let's put these things on there.
Could I be cleansing?
No, you don't want to waste any. That'll give the kids something to do. Crunching all them open.
What about that?
Yep, chuck that little chunk on there too, mate.
This.
No, that's its poo. You don't want to eat that. Yeah.
Mum, I know. You can swear to your Mum's face as a joke.
Oh, that's gross.
That's right, Ben.
They're sizzling. They're cooking because they're moving.
Jossie.
You got our one ingredient there.
We're a little bit used to living out of the van, aren't we?
Yeah. All right, we'll chuck a bit of butter in there. What are we giving it?
I don't know.
Cracked her in half because it wasn't cooking enough in the middle. Bit of lime. Oh yeah, bit of butter. Bit of plain butter.
We don't want... I won't double dip with...
All right.
Should be right.
All right. I reckon all those legs are probably just about done. First bit. Whoa.
Yeah, but Mem, come
Probably
and
shouldn't have
taste
put that on that
the
plate
raw.
with the
Just
rawness.
Give it a little bit of a heat.
I'll cook her up again just in case. We should probably get rid of that one, I reckon, now.
Sit it on there.
All right, Van, that's the first piece, mate. Woo! Probably hot.
Down.
It's probably hot.
Eat that piece and see. Let Dad know what it tastes like when it's cooled down. A bit longer.
Oh, it smells amazing. Woo! Yeah, smells good.
Is she ready?
Oh no, we got legs going everywhere.
And them tennis.
Yeah.
Like most legs after a bottle of wine, eh?
Woo-wee!
Oh. You burned him all right.
No, we didn't. We cooked it to perfection, mate. Hey, Mr. Critical.
Put some lime on it.
Couple of tentacles. How good is that? Gourmet car park cook up. Not every day you get to eat crayfish straight out of the ocean. Woo. Literally, straight from there, straight to here. How good is that? What do you reckon, mate?
No.
Oh yeah. Oh, that one came straight out as well. You just had to pull on it.
Get out of it.
Baby.
Good?
Not bad.
Oh yeah.
Such a provider.
I know.
You do such good providing.
I know.
That was mine.
Baby.
Was that borderline?
Not bad.
We're gonna do this with the other plate.
Yeah, hang on, buddy.
That's nice, even just plain like that.
Yeah.